Hi folks, James at Leighton Vans. Just a quick video walk round this really high spec, brand new, unregistered, only one in the UK, chestnut brown, full Carlex kit, Kombi. So yeah, let me show you around it. So as I say, fully spec'd, LED headlamps. We've got the Carlex front bumper. Okay, it's full motion as well. We've got front parking sensors. We've got adaptive cruise. What hasn't it got really? So as part of the kit, we've also fitted the 20-inch LV wheels with Uniroyal tyres. So these are our own design, only available to ourselves. And then you've also got the Carlex skirts. Now onto the interior, we've got the Carlex Alcantara interior, so really comfy. Makes a change from the leather, I guess, but really comfy. And like I say, it's the Carlex design as well, so looking really good. We have a light switch just on the pillar there for the rear lights, okay, and two USB ports at either side. Okay, it's also got a night heater on this, so I'll run through a bit of spec of what the vehicle's got. We've got adaptive cruise control, we've got comfort dashboard, we've got heated seats, it's a 204 DSG gearbox, two front Kombi seats, we've got the sat navigation, we've got the app connect, heated windscreen which is standard on the Highline, electric sunroof, and as I mentioned, the night heater as well. Okay, so I'm just going to walk around the vehicle with you to the rear and show you the rear design. In fact, I'll spin the turntable around, it'll be a little bit easier, always forget we've got this. But yes, as I mentioned, Carlex rear skirt, okay, and then the Carlex rear spoiler there as well. Now the vehicle's also got an electric tailgate, which you can open on the key, but it can sense that I'm too close to it, so it won't open, so we will have to open it manually. Now we've got the rear LEDs on there as well, we've got a rear camera. Okay, and onto the into the rear, we've carpeted and insulated the internals. Okay, and then there's a light switch just on the pillar for the additional two lights. Okay, vehicle's also got a detachable tow bar, and those boxes there are for the electric door motors. Okay, now to get the electric tailgate down, all we do is move your head and then press your button just there to get it down. Okay, so just showing you there the Carlex rear skirt and exhaust system. Looks absolutely awesome in the chestnut brown. So we've had a few Carlex designs. We've had black, we've had oryx white, and now chestnut brown. So as I mentioned, this is the only one in the UK. So for any information, get in touch with us. info@leightonvans.co.uk or give us a call on 0114 283 8484. Thank you guys.